welcome back to the world. Well, today's video I will be talking about the crypto market right now. As you all know, after a huge bump in the Bitcoin's price, the market is now sideways and nothing is happening right now in the market. And but I would say that the price is going sideways, but it is near my important zone. And will I be entering in my trade or not? Also, congratulations to all those traders who traded the crude oil move, full bottom to top profits booked there. I hope you saw my PNL on my Twitter that I posted yesterday. Also, yes, I am still entered in my crude oil trade and I'm hoping it to hold my profits more. So let's see what happens. And I found a new chart, new altcoin to trade. Let's see if we get any opportunity as well. So let's get into the charts. First of all, I just found a new altcoin, and that is Hook USDT. And I just found it, and some new setup, I would say good setup, is forming right now. And if it plays out, then we can book good returns, or I would say good profits there. So right now I'm on the daily time frame, and we can clearly see from here it started in an upward trend. Low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and now it is sideways, consolidating a little bit in this zone. So I will wait for it to break this zone to the upside, either with a retest or with a high volume, because we can clearly see the price has not even once did a breakout of this zone perfectly, or not even a fake out also. Whenever it goes near this zone, it gets rejected and always leave a wick behind. So that's why I'll be cautious to trade this move. But if we capture this move perfectly, then I will enter long easily, and my first target will be all the way up till this range right here, approx 1.3846. this right here, this whole range. I will share my exact target, stop loss, everything, all the levels, above resistance, support, everything in my next video. This is just an update video that yes, we can find a new trade on Hook USDT as well. So get ready and do not enter in FOMO. Also do your own analysis as well in this chart. And this is the main chart that you saw in the thumbnail. So this can give a breakout either to the upside or to the downside. I don't know, maybe it can do a breakout to the upside only. That's what I think. So let's see, either a upside move or a downside move. I'll capture both of them with perfect analysis and money management, and will definitely make money. Right now, I hope you already know I'm on what chart. I'm on the crude oil chart right now, daily time frame, and we entered somewhat over here at the bottom, at the dip. We bought the dip and we sell at the top, exact top. This whole move was captured from here to here. Now I booked my 50 to 60% profits here. I hope you saw the PNL on my Twitter. Do follow me on my Twitter. I post a lot of knowledgeable stuff there. So I'm holding this trade right now, and right now the price is kind of struggling to break it to the upside. Yes, because this is a very important purple resistance zone. That's why it is struggling right now, as you can clearly see right here. But if it does a breakout to the upside, then it can easily go all the way up till my white resistance zone here, which is at approx I would say 76.34 to 76.96. I already shared with you guys, and I would just recommend you guys to switch your stop loss from here to somewhat over here or here. This is called as trailing off stop loss, so that if the price gets rejected from here, still you will be exited with some profits only, not with a loss. So that's what I'm doing right now. My stop loss is somewhat over here, and I'm hoping for the price to go to the upside. But if it gives a rejection to the downside, then it's okay. I will exit all my trade, and I will in future, wait again for a new trade, new setup to be formed. Coming to the DYDX chart right here on the daily time frame. So I hope you all remember this falling wedge right here. Well, the price of DYDX did a breakout of this falling wedge, and from this important resistance zone it did a rejection and came down for a retest. Well, I told you in my previous videos that the price of DYDX will come all the way down till this zone. Why? Because there is an important support zone. This rectangle you can see, this is a very important support for DYDX, plus here only is this important downwards trend line that it will come to make a support. Both of them are at one common place, that this is this. So what we can clearly see is DYDX right now is giving again a reversal to the upside, but I will still wait. Yes, I told in my previous video that I will enter somewhat over here or here. Yes, but I'm still not entering because if you look closely, this candle has a very high volume. Then this candle that did a breakout to the upside inside the resistance zone has a very low volume, and right now this candle is forming as a doji or a neutral. So I will wait for the price either to come down as a retest of this zone, or if the price breaks this zone to the upside, then only I will enter in DYDX. So I won't be any greedy that okay, I will enter here only FOMO. No, I will wait for my setup to be formed, and I will exact to the point enter in my trade with everything discussed with you guys as well. So in the intro, as I told you all, that after this huge pump in the Bitcoin's price, it did a small, very small consolidation, or I would say rejection to the downside. And I already informed you guys in my this video that why this dump happened, and it recovered this dump successfully, and right now it is kind of a sideways or maybe a double bottom pattern that is right now being played out. But still I will wait because I already told you this is a very important resistance zone for Bitcoin price. This order block, this blue zone, I'm again telling you, from $44,760 approx to all the way up to $48,000. Very important zone. So if the price of Bitcoin gives a rejection from here or shows any reversal to the downside, then I will go short. And if this the price of Bitcoin breaks this zone to the upside again with a perfect retest or with a high volume candle, then I will enter long. So right now I'm not entering any trade. So I'm not entering any intraday or scalping trade right now, as I am mainly a swing trader. So I will wait for my setup to be formed, and then easy trade I will capture. Alright, so guys, this is it for today's video, and this is my outro. I hope you liked the video. I hope you understand a new trade on hook that maybe we can enter in future if that pattern, or I would say that price action, goes according to my setup. Also, I would say that right now the Bitcoin market is sideways, and I'll wait for the price to come at my important levels exactly. And crude oil trade right now also we are in profits, and I'm holding it as much as I can, also trailing my stop loss to the upside, so that if the price of crude oil gives a rejection to the downside, still I will make some profits too. So that's, I would recommend that you all should do. Also, tell me some altcoins to trade that you are trading right now that are in your portfolio. Do share that in comments as well. I'll be looking at them too. So this is it for today's video. If you want to create an account on Bybit, you can do that. You can get $30,000 gift for free and create an account for free too. Link is in the description and in the comment box. See you guys in the next video.